What's going on? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to build an email list for affiliate marketing, free step-by-step strategy that I have been using here lately. That's going to help you not only build your email list, but help you to earn money as an affiliate. Now, I can't make any guarantees of income, so I'm not doing that, but it all depends upon the effort that you put into this. This is 100% free from beginning to ending. It's actually going to give you 100 free clicks, which I'm going to show you how to get in this video. Plus, I'm going to show you a secret Facebook group that you can actually get in and earn extra income from that as well. As I said, income disclaimer, I do not promise you that you're going to make any money, but because I don't know your work ethic, but if you put the system to use, there is a possibility of that. Okay, so as you see right now, I'm actually in my Getresponse account. I have been using this system for a little while now, and as you can see, I have 265 contacts here. I have 2 inactive. Okay, so and I have actually been using this system to build my email list. Okay, now as for the affiliate marketing, you see here I'm with Warrior Plus. This is my account. Okay, and you see there's $70.20 in here from doing Traffic Nemesis. Okay, so the system works if you work it. Okay, the first thing you're going to get is this is a series of videos, okay, that's going to walk you step by step how to start building your email list, how to earn money as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so if you follow the steps in here that's laid out, they are very simple, nothing's complicated. Just follow the video step by step. This is as easy as it gets. Okay, and no stone is left unturned in here. Everything you need to succeed is in this little system. Okay, so the first video that you're going to see is how it all works. You're going to watch this video. Okay, Wayne is going to explain it. You're going to join the free Facebook group. You're not going to do it here. I'm going to have a link to that in the description. Make sure you click that link in the description to get inside of the group, and I'm also going to show you the group later on. Okay, so he's going to explain how it all works. Okay, then on step 2, you're going to see how to get your free 100 clicks. This is a bonus that you're going to get when you go through this system, get everything set up. You're going to get 100 free clicks. Understand, everything you're doing in here is 100% free. It's not going to cost you anything to just go through the process. Okay, so you're going to learn how to get your free clicks. Okay, and then after each video, this up here pops up and to tell you to continue to step number 3. Okay, I already have all the tabs open. Okay, in step number 3, you're going to get your squeeze page. Okay, he's going to tell you how to set up your traffic domination pages account. Okay, that's free as well. You're going to get a 14-day free trial with that. So get it set up and go to the next step. Okay, the next step is to connect your autoresponder. You're going to get a Getresponse autoresponder. You don't have to get it here. There will be a link for that in the description as well. So you want to make sure you get that. Okay. The next video, it takes you how to grab your free email swipes. Now I'm going to click on this button so you can see the swipes. Some of the swipes here are the actual swipes that you're going to get in here. So you have, quite a few swipes in here that 19. There are actually 30, 24, quite a few swipes. There are a bunch of swipes that you can use. So he gives you the email swipes as well. Okay, so you're going to get that. Then you're going to go on to step number 6, which is you're going to sign up for the affiliate network. This affiliate network is similar to Warrior Plus and ClickBank. They have affiliate products in there that you can get to promote, okay, and earn a commission on if you make some sales. Okay, so he's going to walk you through this video as well, 8-minute long. Then you're going to set up the entire system. Okay, it's going to take 20 minutes. This is a 20-minute video. He's going to walk you through how to set up everything from A to Z. Okay, connect it all together so you can get started. Once you get the system together, he's going to show you how to buy traffic and start making sales. Okay, you can buy traffic here and you connect with Wayne here on Facebook, but you don't have to buy any traffic right off the bat. Okay, so what you want to do is actually going to get 100 free clicks. Remember that. So I don't buy any traffic. Get your system set up, get your 100 free clicks to see how the traffic works. Wayne has been doing this for years, so his traffic is solid. Okay. Now, step number 9 is you're going to refer others to earn a commission. He's going to explain that in this video. You get to join the affiliate program. Okay. This is a full training that's going to take you from the beginning to the end of your affiliate marketing list building journey. Okay. Then the next step number 10, free and easy earning. He's going to explain all of this to you here in this video to testimonial submission form. Okay. So you're going to do that. The next video is step 11. Okay, you got advanced training and 100 free clicks. So you want to watch the advanced training and you want to get your 100 free clicks. Remember I said back on the other one, it was about, don't purchase any. It's going to give you 100 free clicks and it's going to show you how to do it. Okay, now this is the advanced training video that you're going to watch. It is an hour and 10 minutes long. Okay, then you want to get your OLS Speed Link, which this link is a link to this Facebook group. Okay, Traffic Domination Facebook group. Okay, and as you see in this group, you see people are having success just like I showed you over here. Okay, it is working, so people are having success with it. As you see that there, people are setting up their system. Dave does training inside of this group. Okay, you'll see all of the training. When you get in this group, you should find a pinned post somewhere that's going to walk you through the steps of how to get it done. If you don't see that, get in contact with me and I'll help you get it set up. Okay. The next thing you want to do, you want to go to the unit section and start going through these units. These are all trainings. Okay. Warrior Plus training, OLSP system training, traffic hack, and taking less building up a level. Okay, you want to watch the training in there. These are in-depth training that's going to help you on your affiliate marketing journey. Okay, and building your email list and how to nurture that list, how to get people to actually buy from you from the different products that you promote or sell to your email list. You want to be building an email list. It is that important, because if Facebook shuts you down, you don't have an email list, you're done. If YouTube shuts you down doing videos, you're done. I mean, that's any platform. Okay. I know how it feels. I can't run Facebook ads because Facebook shut my ads account down and I did not try to get it back anyway. So that's one thing. So understand that you always want to be building an email list, and he shows you how to get traffic, both paid and free methods in here as well. And if you want to get a training to a Facebook, training that's free method, there will be a link to that in the description as well. Okay, so this is what you're going to get. You're going to be joining the Traffic Dominators group. Everything in here I just showed you is 100% free. Okay, all of the training, you just simply need to follow it step by step and do what it says and start building your email list. Okay, remember, I built my list, 265 subscribers and Getresponse so far. Okay. And I'm getting ready to run some traffic to this. The affiliate, it works if you start using it. Okay. Traffic Nemesis is a product that teaches you how to market on Facebook using nothing but your profile. Okay. And there will be a link to that in the description as well. So what I highly suggest you do, or this is just a suggestion, click the link in the description, get into the Facebook group, get your Getresponse account, get Traffic Nemesis, okay, so you can learn how to promote on Facebook the correct way without getting your account banned and without getting crickets and people not commenting on your posts. Okay, so go ahead and click the link in the description to get that set up and get that done. Go through this training step by step. Get into this Facebook group. Okay, Get into this Facebook group and just start going through here through the units, okay? And you can see videos as well. All of the videos Wayne has done, okay? You can see all of the photos. You see here where people are having success, okay? So people are really having success with this system. So get in, get going. And if you have any questions, connect with me on Facebook, send me a friend request or send me a message and let me know that you want to get into you are in Traffic Dominator so I can come in and, welcome you to the group. What I want to do right now is I'm going to end this video. Thank all of my subscribers. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Also, leave me a comment if you have any questions. Let's connect on Facebook. My information will be below in this video. So get in this group, get started, and start getting results with building your email list. Your money is in the list, but the fortune is in the follow-up, okay? So you want to be building your email list. As I said, there's proof. There's proof. So get started. Click the link below this video to get in the group, get your Getresponse account, and get Traffic Nemesis so you can get going in the right direction. If you want to get that, you don't have to. It's not necessary, but it does teach you how to market on Facebook for free. So with that being said, this is Richard Hairston, and I'm out of here. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.